Are you looking for an exciting job opportunity in Auckland, New Zealand? Southern Transport and Cartage Limited is hiring truck drivers. Job title, Truck Driver. Location, Auckland City, Auckland. Job type, full-time. Date posted, June 27, 2024. Full job description. As a truck driver with Southern Transport and Cartage Limited, your main responsibilities will include planning routes and schedules to meet delivery deadlines, inspecting trucks for mechanical and safety issues before and after each trip, loading and unloading concrete from the truck, maintaining accurate records of deliveries and vehicle maintenance, communicating effectively with dispatchers, customers, and other drivers on the road, adhering to traffic laws and regulations at all times, reporting any accidents, violations, or other incidents to management immediately, maintaining a clean and organized truck cab and cargo area, being able to start early in the morning and finish. Requirements: 3 years of experience or relevant qualification. Job location, Auckland. Number of positions, 2, type, permanent, full-time. Days required, rotating roster, including weekends. Hours per week, 32 to 40 hours. Hourly pay, $29 to $31. To apply, you must be either a New Zealand citizen/resident or hold a valid visa allowing full-time work and possess a Class 4 license. Thank you for watching. If you think you are a good fit, we would love to hear from you. Please send your CV. For more details and to apply online, visit the link in the video description below. Thank you.